What's up, dudes? It's LA Joe. Today, I am going to be doing a full face of makeup with brushes that I got from Amazon. I already tried filming this once, so a lot of these brushes are dirty, but you guys are gonna have to deal with it, so let's just get right a poppin', a crackin', I don't know what I'm doing. So this is a pack of 16. It came in this sweet little box. They even were so nice and put a ribbon on it for me. They're just so thoughtful. And then it also comes with like a little leather case. This is what it looks like. It has Anjou on it or whatever. There's like little magnets, and then you just like unfold it. And there's all the brushes. It also came with a little pan flip, but I think I threw that away. Silly me. So I'm just gonna show you what each brush is. Powder, bronzer, blush, angled foundation brush, concealer brush. They put this one as a blending brush, but I know a lot of people use this as foundation brushes, so I don't know what they were thinking with that. Contour. They also put that one as like a foundation brush, which that is really small to be in foundation brush, but who knows. This one's also contour. This one is large eyeshadow brush, nose contour, eyeshadow brush, also eyeshadow brush, lip brush, angled brush, and then like eyelash and brow thing. So the brushes are actually like super soft, and they're like really packed and like dense. Well, I mean the ones that need to be dense, you know, they have a lot of bristles, but they're super soft. The actual like brush part itself feels pretty cheap because this whole brush kit was $14 and there's 16 brushes, so that means that each brush was like 87 cents, and so that is like super cheap and good. So like the handles aren't super sturdy. I mean, they're like sturdy, but they just don't feel like luxurious, I guess. But the brushes are really soft. Yeah, let's just get right into doing makeup. So I don't use primer because I'm not a booty guru, but I do moisturize my face because my face is really dry. So I'm going to use the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer with salicylic acid. So I'm just going to pump some on the fingers and get cracking. Now, I normally don't do foundation, but since this is a full face of makeup, we gotta do foundation, right? For foundation, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade Warm Alabaster. That's what it looks like. And then you just like slide it up. So now I'm going to take the angled foundation brush and try to blend this out. So I actually don't ever use brushes, so you know, this is probably gonna end up looking terrible anyways because I have no idea how to use brushes. Guys, I'm starting to get freckles. What? Like, I freaking love freckles, and I've wanted freckles since as long as I can remember. Looks like this foundation is a little bit light for me. Maybe not, I don't know. When did I even get shade matched in this? Yeah, I got shade matched in November of last year, so I was probably just a little pale, but we're gonna make it work. Oh yeah, I'm starting to get freckles. I mean, they could just be pimples, which they probably are, but they look kind of like brownish, so I really hope that they're freckles because I freaking love freckles. I guess this foundation matches me and I'm just like really pale. So the brush did a pretty good job. It doesn't look too streaky or anything. I think it did a pretty good job. Now let's move on to concealer. For concealer, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. And then I'm going to use this angled contouring brush. So beautiful. Okay, now I'm just going to go in with this brush and try to blend it out. Now for the under eye. Okay, that does not look good. Okay, I'm going to go through and fix that with this because, man, the under eye did not go over well. I That's a little bit better, right? I'm literally Casper the Ghost. Surprise, surprise, guys. I was fooling you this whole time. Okay, now for loose powder to bake, I'm going to use the Coty Airspun loose face powder. I'm actually going to use this one that they said was the blending brush to kind of like pack it into my skin. At our school, I don't know about your guys' schools, but like our school is like, everyone always says do it and you're cool. Do it and you're cool. Yeah, it's not good because it's like peer pressure, but I'm going to let this sit for a second and bake. So I never know what else to say. Like, I don't want to just say, so yeah, see you in a second, bye. Like, no, that was the old Ellie. I need to be good and new and fresh, you know? We're supposed to have a storm today, and it hasn't even rained like once. It's not even supposed to rain until 8. That's depressing. I really wanted it to rain. Funny story. So I saw this girl's YouTube video. She has about the same amount of subscribers as me. And like, normally when people get PR boxes, they have like quite a few like subscribers or followers. And like, to me, 300 is quite a bit, but like compared to everyone else, it's like nothing, especially for like brands. So I saw this girl, she got a PR package and she has about the same amount of subscribers as me. And so I was like, oh, maybe I can DM this brand and get PR packages from them, you know? And so I was like kind of being serious, but then I was also kind of just like joking because like I don't really care if they give me a PR package or not, but like I just wanted to see what they would say. So I like DM'd them on Instagram. I was like, hey, my name's Ellie Jo, I'm a YouTube influencer, and I saw this girl's video and I was like, maybe I could get on the PR list or whatever. And they still haven't responded, but you know, if any of you are a company, like I'm so down to do sponsors or like, you know, just email me. My email's in the description. Hit me up, and I would love to have PR packages or like do a sponsor or just get sent something, you know, like you would be my first PR and it would just like mean so much to me and it would just like mean the world to me. So just please. I've sat and been weird for too long. Now I'm going to take this loose powder brush and brush all the excess away. Next is bronzer. So normally people do contour, but sadly I do not have contour, so I use bronzer. I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and then I'm going to use this contouring brush. I am really sucky at bronzing and contouring, so please do not hate. Just kidding. You can roast me in the comments if you want. I'm here. If you guys need to just like be like, you suck and I don't like you, then I'm here. I feel like Voldemort. I'm going to use this bronzing brush for the jawline. In my mind, everything I'm saying is funny, and then I go back and I edit it and I'm like, what the crap was I thinking? Oh yeah, and I'm also bronzing my my forehead. Okay, this side looks really terrible. And again, free in the comments to go roast me. It's fine. Why am I asking for people to roast me? Like, I'm literally like, guys, I'm just delusional today. Honestly, I question myself every day. Like, I'm literally talking so weird, and you guys are here watching me, like supporting me, and I'm like, why? If you think about it, before editing this, like before you've uploaded it, I'm literally just talking to myself. Like I'm talking to you guys, but like in real life, I'm just talking to a camera by myself. Okay, now is blush. For blush, I'm going to use the blush brush and this Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Peachy Love. Just going to pick up that middle shade. And I need a lot of color because, like I said, I am pale as frick. Did I even say that? Honestly, I don't even need to say it because it's pretty obvious. Okay, now we're blushed. Next is brows. So I'm going to hurry and do my brows with this. This is the Glossier Boy Brow in the shade Blonde because I can't really use any brushes for brows, so. Okay, so I'm back and brows are done, and now it's time to move on to eyes. Okay, so for eyes, I'm going to use the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Can you tell that the person that was helping us at Ulta really wanted us to buy Anastasia? This is what the palette looks like. There's some really pretty fall colors. Yeah, so eyeshadow is probably one of the things that I'm the worst at. I'm really scared. So I'm going to take the nose contouring brush. I'm going to go into Raw Sienna. And then I'm going to go into Burnt Orange right there and apply that all over the lid. I'm going to use this small eyeshadow brush and go into the shade Realger. I don't even know. And apply that to the outer corner. Okay, I'm going to go back into Burnt Orange. Okay, I think that looks okay. And then I'm going to take this other eyeshadow brush and go into Primavera. I don't even know how to say it. And go into the inner corner just to kind of highlight it. Okay, so now I'm going to go off camera and do the other eye. Okay, so I'm back and I have my eyes done. Here is what they are looking like. So sadly, I'm not going to do eyeliner just because I don't have any that I can like use the angled brush to dip into. And that is where I would completely botch this whole look. We're just not gonna do it today. Now we need to do lashes, which lashes, I mean, you just kind of use mascara. So I'm going to use the Luminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal Paris. Oh, should I try doing something on the bottom? I have never done eyeshadow on like the bottom waterline before, so that's kind of scary to think about. Sure, I mean, this is literally what could botch the whole thing, but we'll try. So I'm going to use the lip brush. I'm going to go into that Realger, just... Whoa, this is like a... Whoa. This is literally like a whole new level. Holy cow. I am so proud of myself. Wow, good job, Ellie. Y'all that actually know how to do makeup are probably like, oh. This is a super big accomplishment for me. Okay, now I'm going to go to the other side. Okay, I actually, oh my gosh, I actually like love that. Wow, okay. Okay, now I'm going to finish the mascara. So I'm actually going to take this little lash comb that they have and try to separate a few of my lashes. So that is my eyes. And now the final step is lips. So I think that this is from Forever 21, so I'm just going to take some off the brush. How does that literally match the eyeshadow like perfectly? Okay, so here is the completed look. I think it actually looks like bomb.com if you ask me. Okay, so that was my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys like these type of videos, make sure you comment down below. Also, if you don't, comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see from me. Give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye. Love you all. Bye.